Solve the equation x tan x equal to minus 1 by regular falsy method starting with a equal to 2.5 and b equal to 3 correct to 3 decimal places. Okay, here the question is given that the equation x tan x equal to minus 1. So minus 1 taken into left side. Okay, and so function f of x is equal to x tan x plus 1. So already given the starting with a equal to 2.5 and b equal to 3. So put x equal to 2.5. Okay, in this function we get minus 0.867556. You just take only 4 decimal places. Okay, so here is given that correct to 3 decimal place. Okay, so that only the way we have to find the 4 decimal place. Okay, so put x equal to 3, we get 0.572360. Okay, so positive value. So here is negative value, here is positive value, so is an opposite value. So the root lies between 2.5 and 3. Okay, take a equal to 2.5 and b equal to 3 is already given. Okay, so we know that in the falsy method equation x1 equal to a f of b minus b f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. Okay, so a equal to 2.5 and b equal to 3 and f of b means f of 3 is equal to 0.572360. F of a means f of 2.5 equal to minus 0.867556. Okay, so x1 value will be get 2.801252. Okay, so next to find f of x2. So f of x value means this value x tan x plus 1. So put x equal to 2.801252. Okay, we get f of x1 equal to 0.80 0.008020 is a positive value. Okay, so here is 2.80, here is 2.5. Okay, so compare with this numbers because this is a negative one, is a positive one. Okay, so the root lies between 2.5 and 2.801252. So as usual same method. Okay, this formula, okay, using this formula here, okay, we get x2 equal to 2.806513. Okay, so put x2 value in f of x tan x plus 1. Okay, we will get f of 2.806513 equal to 0.022743. Okay, so here the value is positive. Okay, so here compare with the root lies between 2.5 and 2.80656513. Okay, okay, so x3 value, you just find the x3 value, we will get 2.798683. Okay, same as usually same method for f of x3, the function f of x equal to x tan x plus 1. Okay, so we get f of x3 equal to 0.000831. Okay, so here is positive value, here is positive value, so the root lies between x4, that is x4 means is not x4, is equal to this value is x3, is an x3 lies between x3 is not x4. Okay, x3 this value 2.798683 and 2.5 because 2.5 is negative. Okay, so negative and positive. Okay, hence the root lies between this one. Okay, fine, next to find x4 value. Okay, so x4 value we will get 2.7981. So here the value 2.7981 and here the value 2.7989. so here the 4 decimal places. Okay, 79 2.86 and 2.7981. So we have to find, the question is, okay, correct 3 decimal places. Okay, so here the 3 decimal places, this is a 3 decimal places. Okay, 2.798 and 2.798 is equal. So hence the root lies between, hence the root is 2.798. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching the video.